This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn long answers fast. First, begin by understanding the core concepts rather than just rote memorization. Try to connect new information to what you already know, forming a mental framework. This approach makes the learning process more efficient and helps you retain information for longer periods. Focus on grasping the why behind the facts, which deepens your understanding. To effectively break down information, start by creating visual aids like mind maps. These help you see how different parts of the answer relate to each other. Next, try summarizing each paragraph or section in your own words. This active recall process strengthens your memory. Don't just reread, actively engage with the material by explaining it aloud to yourself or a friend. Boosting your memory retention involves several powerful techniques. Mnemonic devices, like creating an acronym for a list of points, can make recalling information much easier. Regularly test yourself using active recall. Try to explain the answer without any prompts. A fantastic method is to teach the answer to someone else, as this forces you to organize your thoughts clearly and identify any gaps in your knowledge. Consistent practice and review are essential for long-term retention. Set aside dedicated time each day, even just 15 minutes, to revisit the material. This spaced repetition prevents forgetting. Also, practice writing out full answers under timed conditions to simulate exam pressure. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll master those long answers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.